the allegations. We'll get you more details ahead in the show. But first, to news that is just coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. This is news that we are breaking at the top of this hour. Encounter has broken out in Hiranagar area of Kathua district in Jammu. Encounter breaks in Hiranagar, Kathua, Jammu. A group of Jaish terrorists believed to be trapped. A group of 4 to 5 terrorists is the suspicion of the security forces. There is intermittent firing going on from both sides. Tejinder Singh Sodhi with me on the broadcast. Tejinder, first give us the details of what we know from the security grid.
See, Arnima, the encounter has started just a few minutes ago. What we come to know from the sources in the security forces that a group of 4 to 5 terrorists was tracked in the area, and then finally they have been trapped in an encounter. The terrorists, they are believed to be affiliated with the Jaish-e-Mohammed terror outfit, and they had recently infiltrated into the Indian territory. Now that exchange of firing has started between both the sides, additional reinforcement of security forces, the Army, the Special Operation Group of Jammu and Kashmir Police and the CRPF, they have been rushed to the spot. The entire area has been cordoned off. This area is in this place is Sanyari village, which is near the international border in the Hiranagar sector of Kathua district. Exchange of firing right now, Arunima, is going on, and additional forces have already reached there. If you see, there has been a trend in the last couple of months that terrorists infiltrate from the international border, then they carry out terror activities in the upper reaches of Kathua, then they go to other areas including Basantgarh in Udhampur, and then they carry out terror activities there. So this area for quite some time has become very active as far as the terrorism is concerned. But yes, security forces are trying their level best to ensure that every terrorist who infiltrates into the Indian side is taken down, is eliminated. If you remember, just 2 days ago, the Union Home Minister had said that once we see a terrorist, we ensure that a bullet is fired in between his both eyes. So similarly, the encounter still rages on. 4 to 5 terrorists are believed to be trapped, and it is a matter of time that these terrorists would soon be neutralized. Yes, Arunima.
This is an intelligence-based operation because Union Home Secretary was in Jammu just a few days ago holding a high-level meeting. So the security grid was already suspecting that ahead of summers, Jammu, Kathua, the entire Jammu division might become very hot. If this is the suspicion that this was a group which was trying to infiltrate or recently infiltrated group, then it's a big success as far as intelligence inputs are concerned?
Indeed, Arnima, you USS have extensively covered Jammu and Kashmir, and you know that during the winter season, when there is snow on the upper reaches in Kashmir Valley, terrorists shift their focus towards the Jammu region. But for quite some time, if you can relate it to the abrogation of Article 370, the Kashmir region has seen the increase in the security grid. So the terrorists have shifted their focus towards Jammu region, and they try to infiltrate from Jammu region, especially the international border. And yes, the intelligence grid has been reinforced. Recently, as you pointed out, that the Union Home Secretary, along with the chief, the DG of CRPF and other chief of various other intelligence agencies were also in Jammu. They held a high-level meeting wherein security forces were given a free hand. They were told that whenever a terrorist is identified, operation has to be launched, and to ensure that those terrorists are eliminated. And this encounter happening just within few days of that very crucial meeting itself is an indicator that the security grid has been tightened. The intelligence inputs are being